Namaskar, my name is Pawan Phande and I'll be your trainer for the course 3ds Max. So let's get started the course. In our final chapter on rendering, we look at your options for exporting the images out of 3ds Max. Here are some images that can I render using the Art or Autodesk Ray Trace engine. I have got several different versions with different lighting schemes. Some use interior artificial lights and some use exterior daylighting. Here's the morning shot and there's the afternoon shot. And an evening or night shot, the same scenes. Here are our living room in the daylight with a little bit of the artificial light, and then also here are the night shot. And again that's where or ART, the Autodesk Ray Tracer. Let's look at the options for the renders. You will know for your particular project or application. The different and difficult render in 3ds Max is the Skyline renderer, and it is shipped with the version 1 of the 3ds Max. Quicksilver hardware is a GPU renderer that is suitable for a draft quality preview renders. You can also use the Nitrous display driver, which is very closely related to the Quicksilver. It's another hardware renderer, but you actually more options that Quicksilver does. Art or the Autodesk Ray Tracer. It is a physically accurate renderer that exceeds the photorealistic skills, and the Arnold renderer is now in 3ds Max 2018. After the acquisition of the developed Solid Angle, Autodesk now owns Solid Angle and the Arnold renderer. It is a find its way into the various Autodesk application. The Scanline render, once again it is a difficult renderer. It's very fast compared to Art or Arnold, and it uses the GPU or the central processing or your computer, so it's known as a software renderer. It's not physically accurate unlike Art or Arnold. It has only basic features, however it does support some things that the other renders do not, such as the toon shader, known as the ink in paint material. If you want to do the non-stop, then the Skyline renderer are probably your best option. The Quicksilver hardware renderer, it is a very fast GPU renderer. It uses your video hardware. The quality of the end result depends upon your hardware. If you got a very good physical graphics card, and then your quality using the Quicksilver is better. Quicksilver is suitable for the draft or stylized renderers, but it is limited by the features that have been made. The render setup dialog box. Nitrous is the driver, the viewports in 3ds Max. It's known as the display driver. You can render using the Nitrous from the menu tools, preview, grab, viewport. Nitrous is not available from the render setup dialog. The cool thing about Nitrous is that you can see what you getting situation or VC swing. What you see in the viewport exactly what you use when you render a preview using the Nitrous. Some features that are not available in Quicksilver are available for the Nitrous display driver. If you go into the viewport menu, for example, Quicksilver has a limitation of the number of lights that can render at any time, but if you render using, there is no such limitation. Because of all of this, Nitrous can actually the Quicksilver better. It's kind of the iconic, but the preview screen capture technique is higher quality than the traditional method of offline sequence rendering. ART or the Autodesk Ray Tracer is another software renderer and the physically accurate unlike the Skyline renderer. However, Art is limited by the real world laws of the physics. This is a kind, but if you can do it is a real world, then you can do it in a ART. In other words, you can execute light and shadows. Really, you can't break the rules. However, art is very easy to set up. All you need to do is adjust the quality slider and you are off and running. ART is a really best suit for photorealistic still imaginary. Finally, new in 3ds Max 2018 in the Arnold render from the solid angle. Its 2 is physically accurate just like the ART and the underlying technology is very similar. However, Arnold does not have the limitation the real world physics. Arnold will allow you to break the rules and to things is execute light and the shadows. Arnold is generally faster and more flexible than ART. Under similar conditions, the Arnold render will complete before the art render will. Because all the factors, Arnold is the best render all around the 3ds Max currently. It's suitable for the photorealistic still images and animations. Whereas the ART, because it's slower, it's really only best for the still imaginary, and those are the options for stock render in 3ds Max 2018.